Hello and welcome to the overview of Dropbox. Dropbox is a freemium storage service, meaning it is a free online service which gives you 2 gigabytes of free space. You can purchase premium accounts, and I've included the pricing structure in our resource folder. You can earn space. For each new referral, you'll get an additional 500 megabytes per referral, and you can earn up to 16 gigabytes. It is also shareable. You can share your content 2 ways, through a link or invite people to a folder via an email invite. When someone joins a shared folder, it will automatically sync with their Dropbox account. You can access your files across multiple devices, and it has an easy-to-use desktop application, which means you can access your files offline. Let me demonstrate how I use Dropbox in my personal and professional life, and how I get my students to use it. So I'm just going to go over to my desktop, and you can see I have all my folders here. I will go into our folder for the class, open up a document to do a couple of tests. And what I love about the desktop version is when I access my files, they look like a regular Word document. As you can see on my taskbar, I have all the functionalities of a regular Word document, as opposed to, I find sometimes Google Docs loses some of the functionality, and that's especially true when you look at Google Slides. So I want to see if this will get updated in the cloud. So I'm just going to change the color to green. Whoops. Alright, so that's green. I'm just going to close this. So we've highlighted it green. I need to see if that's going to get updated. So we'll close it and we'll say save, yes. Now I will go over to the cloud, and I'm already accessing the folder. Save you the trouble of looking at all my folders. So here's the document, and it says it was updated 8 minutes ago. That's not right, because I just updated it. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, this does work. Let me go back over here to here. We're going to change you to purple. Blue. I'm going to close you. I'm going to save. I swear to God, this works all the time. So we need that to be blue, right? Okay, I'm losing my mind. This does work. What if I hit refresh? Function. I hit F5. Please work. Okay, jeez. Okay, so I just refreshed. No problem. Alright, so it did get updated in the cloud. I promise when I tried this earlier, it worked automatically without having to do a refresh. So, just to prove that I'm not crazy, I'm going to open this in Word, and I'm going to do another test to prove that it will get updated on my desktop, that it does sync up. So I'm going to highlight this yellow. Close it. Save. Okay, now go back over to my desktop, and yeah, my fingers are crossed that it's yellow. Oh, okay. There it is, it's yellow. It does work. And it should have worked in the other demonstration as well. When I highlighted this blue, it should have automatically got updated on the cloud, because it does work. Anyway, so the other thing I wanted to show you is how to save these documents, or how to share them rather. So you can click on your folder and right mouse click and say share. You can put in people's email addresses right here. If you do that, it's going to allow them to edit. I created a link for the class, which I believe once you have the link, you'll only be able to view it. Okay, so again, it was just a matter of right mouse clicking and going to share. Now I'll go over to the online, and you can see online you just have to hit the share folder, and again, anyone with the, you can either let them edit or view it if you email it out to them, and or you can just copy a link, so the same functionality. Okay, so go back over to this tutorial, and we have some questions here that we would like you to work on in the activity. So we're going to ask you to discuss how you could use Dropbox for personal, collaboration with colleagues, and educational purposes. And also discuss any negative or disadvantages that you could see using Dropbox. So don't worry, these questions are posted in the shared folder, and you have a link so that you can access them, and this will conclude the video. So let's go into our breakout rooms and discuss these questions. Thanks for bearing with me.